This is the first attempt at getting Mrs. Elvis packed for our little road trip that we're going on tomorrow. And so far we've got the double sofa, the tent, the windbreak, the mattress, the table and chairs, and 2 more chairs, which I don't think we need. There's not a lot in there really. We've still got all our personal stuff to go in there, plus all the dog stuff. So I think there might be a little bit of rearranging going on tomorrow. So at the moment we've got levelers here. This is the back seat where the dogs go. We've got the dog beds and the towels, a spare dog bed which we use to make our bed more comfortable, and then if there's plenty of room I'll leave this big throw in here, but if not I'll just spread this across the back seat. We'll see how that goes later. Still got all this to get in. Our bags, the dog stuff, food, kitchen stuff, dog bowls as well, coats. Oh gosh, it's going to be tricky. I don't think I've made the best job of it. Still got the table and chairs to put in. Yeah, take the table off and stand it up against the back there, the tabletop. So we've got all this room, but oh, so much stuff to take. Just pop the table on the top. It is kind of wedged in, so I think it's safe. What are you doing, Eddie? Yeah, not really pleased with how I've packed it today. But yeah, I'm getting a bit stressed now, so we need to get going, don't we, mate? Yeah? Come on then. A fully loaded Mrs. Elvis, and the fridge is on. Go! You ready to go, Eddie? Finish. me duck. I've unlocked the final dock here at the dart shop, which is almost next door to where Hena Records Centre used to be, which is where the Elvis fan club started and Elvis Monthly magazine, so that's quite exciting. It is actually a funeral parlour now. So this is where Hena Records Centre used to be, 41 Derby Road. I used to come here as a teenager. I joined the Elvis fan club here, and this is where the Elvis Monthly magazine started with Albert Hand. So yeah, quite fitting that I just did the final dock right here next door at the dart shop. Hey, Elvis Duck Sculpture Trail completed. All 36 sculptures unlocked. Woohoo! You doing, bud? Colin birthday cake. There. It's my birthday today, and we have just arrived at Carsington Water Caravan and Motorhome Club site for 2 nights. We're going to go to a local pub in a minute. I'm just going to go down to the shower block just to freshen up, and then we'll be off. It's a nice site. There was only one pitch left on the fully serviced pitch section, so we had to take the one that was available. Obviously it's not the best with the dogs, but it's okay. We'll have to manage, obviously. There's only one utility block here on this site. Toilets are down here. This is the ladies section. Hair dryers and everything. And then down here you've got your usual little cubicles with the sinks here on both sides, and then all the showers down here, which look very clean, I have to say. Quiet at the moment, of course. It's nearly 5 o'clock, so very quiet. So we're off to the pub now with the dogs, and then we'll be back later before it gets dark. We've popped the tent up, and then when we get back we're going to have to set up the bed and everything. We've already had a little mishap because we broke the seat, which is part of the bed, so yeah, that could have been a problem, but we managed to resolve it. We'll have to keep an eye on that. I don't know if you can see Mrs. Elvis there. She's there. This is the block here. You've got your radar key here, the disabled toilet, then the ladies storeroom, unisex toilets, laundry, and then I would imagine the gentlemen's are on the other side down there. Got a dishwashing area here, and a family washroom. It's a very picturesque site, lots of woodland. Carsington Water is definitely over there somewhere. And over this side is a beautiful Derbyshire landscape. And then all the giant caravans and motorhomes in the fully serviced section. And then tiny little Mrs. Elvis over there with the tent popped up. We're bringing the tone down of the campsite. Those dogs barking are not mine. Oh, I can hear mine barking now, but that's in reaction to those other dogs barking. Yes, she is in all her glory. We're on pitch 82. It's quite level, I think. We're not bothering with levelers or anything. And now we're off to the pub. Yeah, he will, yeah. Yeah. What are you doing, bud? Bud, what are you doing? Good morning, Colin. Good morning, Colin. Hello, Eddie. Hello, Eddie. Good morning, buddy. Hello, buddy. morning, Chester. Hello, Chester. Hello, Eddie. Set her down. It's 7:20 in the morning. The dogs have had their breakfast. The dogs have been out for a walk. Well, not a walk, but you know, a wee wee. And yeah, we're just getting started on our day. Hello, Eddie. You ready? Hello, Eddie. Are you ready for the day? You ready for the day? The campsite? Yeah. Holly. Holly's a bit sensitive. Being somewhere she's not sure about. This is Buddy making a bed. Holly! No, Holly! What are you doing, Holly? No, you're not allowed in the kitchen, girl. Come on, this way. Good girl. Hello, darling. You're a little bit sensitive, aren't you, away from home? She's a little bit sensitive, bless her. Good girl. Here's Eddie. He's fine, aren't you? You having a good time, aren't you, mate? Chesty's having a good time as well, aren't you, mate? Buddy's having the best time, aren't you? Taking over. What are you doing, bud? Yeah. My face always seems to be very pink when I'm camping. I don't know whether it's like the little heater that's, I don't know, very glowing anyway. Maybe it's having the little heater on in a small space. Finished, washed and dressed. I did drop my shampoo bottle on the floor though, and I did use shampoo as shower gel accidentally because I got 2 new ones and they look similar. I've had my peaceful time in the shower. Now I'm going back to the dogs. Chaos. Hello, bud. Did you miss me, mate? Oh, are you curtain twitching again? Eh? Then, come on then, let's go back. Come on, that's it. This way, this way, this way, come on, this way. Oh dear, we're all tangled. There she is, look, waiting for us. There we go. That's it. Hey, we know where we are now, don't we? Yeah, shall we get in? Okay. I've left everybody and Mrs. Elvis and ran back down the road here. I'm out of breath because I want to take a photo by the high peak sign with my second favourite mountain in the distance. That's the mountain there. I don't even think it's a mountain, it might just be a hill, but it's in Thorpe near Dovedale. And then here's the sign for the Peak District National Park. And I really wanted to get a photo here, so that's what I'm doing. You can't actually see the mountain though from here. one of my most favourite places in the whole world. The gateway to the Peak District National Park. And now I'm walking back to Mrs. Elvis. My husband's in the car with the doggies. I didn't want to get the dogs out because we've just taken them for a walk and we've just been to the pub and we're heading back towards the campsite. But I was desperate to get a photo by the side. We passed it. I was going to do a U-turn, but actually it's not that far. It wasn't too far to go, so I'll show you where it is now. That's where the sign is there. And then I've just walked up this road, and there, in the near distance, you can see Mrs. Elvis parked in the lay-by, not too far away. No, no, no. This side, this side. Thank you. Sorry, the mallards. Sorry to disturb you. I don't think you mind too much. They're not bothered, are they? No, they're not moving. This is Carsington Water, and over there in the distance is our campsite. And over there in the car park, you can just see Mrs. Elvis. Hang on, Eddie. Hello. Hey up me duck. It's the first time I've ever been to the dishwashing area. Now then, what do? Put the plug in, I think. That's hot. I think that's too much. Get on. I've got a bit of food waste here. I'll get rid of that as well. There's a little food waste bin there. I've got my rubbish to take away, my finish, and my recycling there. I haven't got my marigolds. This water's hot. This needs rinsing out as well. Dry it out. Put my dry pots in there. Right. Let's get this done. We have got water in Mrs. Elvis, but only cold. Obviously we're on board a kettle. It's easier to do it this way. I forgot about the tea bag. It's in the sink with the water. Obviously Mrs. Elvis has got an Elvis tea towel. Only the best. I can hear some noise. I think the showers are at the other side of here. I can hear like voices of running water. You doing, bud? You sunning yourself, mate? What are you doing, Holly? You sunning yourself?